who were introduced to you already. And maybe on behalf of the commissioners of the Professional Regulation Commission, I would like to present to you the professional teachers, not yet, the teachers who today are honoring for having passed the licensure exam. Maybe you should all stand again. Can you? Please.
Me, tapat mo lang sa akin yan, naka-camcorder yan. Tapat mo, ano mo lang sa akin, naka-record yan, may oras yan. Huwag mo magkapipindot kahit yan.
Sige na, hindi, tatapat lang ako.
Commissioner, Chairperson, Commissioner Rosero, Commissioner Valdecanto, and Commissioner Del Reyes, I wish to present to you the 6,000 plus 6,000 teachers who will be professional teachers legally after they just take their oath. Take the vow. Congratulations. This is your day. You are not only lucky, I like to believe and I recognize your qualifications as of now. Kasi some people will always say, lucky, 34,000. No, it's not simply luck. It's competence. It's qualification. Everyone in this role shall have gained knowledge in their subject matter, shall have developed skills, the teaching methodologies, etc. And shall have imbibed values and attitudes. Congratulations to all of you. You are very qualified to take your place side by side with all the teachers who are serving the country today. Again, congratulations. In a minute from now, you are going to take your oath. May I give only 3 reminders. 1, when you shall take your oath, you are going to abide by the provisions of the Code of Ethics. And that means ethical and moral standards, professionalism, and responsibility. It's not difficult to remember if you get out of this hall. Shall it be ethical and moral standards and responsibility? The 4th is professionalism. Number 2 is integrity, which means honesty.